Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know I should have filmed this process, but as you can see, I just installed my diffuser. I'll leave the link in the description below and where I got it from. I got it on eBay. I can't remember exactly what it's called, so I just installed my diffuser. It took me longer because it was me alone and I had to position everything. So what you want to do is try to get 2 people when you're installing this diffuser. Again, I'll leave a description in the link below where I got it from. And basically just line it up. It's self-explanatory. Just line up the diffuser, the edges like that. Line it up, make sure everything looks proper. And then when you line it up, you are going to see this. They come with 4 screws, so they didn't have any placement to where to put the screws, so I just put one here, and then I placed one here, so 3 at the sides. So basically, one at the end, one in the middle, right here, and then where you see this part, I put a screw right there. So that's where that screw is. And then where you see this, I put a screw right there as well. And then did the same thing for the other side. And that's 8 screws in. That's the diffuser. Installed the new diffuser. Got rid of the Hyundai emblem with the Genesis. Oh, that's weird. The Genesis one. Only thing missing is the track wing. I'm gonna get the track wing on here. I'll have a tutorial on how to do that as well. But yeah. Ooh, look at that. Look at that booty. But yeah, I just need the track wing now. I have the track wing. I'm going to have a tutorial on how to do that. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy the car and how it looks.